very loud on the beach. This is the sunset at Cambria Beach in California. There's a fog called an advection fog. So the fog is created from warm, moist air and it's cooled from the ocean water, and the winds blow in the fog. It was extremely thick earlier, and it looks like it's thick down low still. I'm headed over to these rocks, see if I can get some good pictures. A little bit of color there. I gotta like that. All right, I made it over to the rock area. And I got one photo going up through this area and one photo from over this area where this young man's picking up some seashells. And I'll show you that photo right about now.